Starting with the fermentation, we'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Transfer it into the bowl. A teaspoon of active yeast. Instant yeast works fine too. The one I am using. Add a cup of lukewarm milk, slightly above room temperature. Keep stirring till you dissolve most of the yeast. Mix 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Take about 500 grams of maida or bread flour and add it gradually to the mixture. Please make sure to work with clean hands. Knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add extra flour if the dough is thin. You'll know the dough is ready when it doesn't stick to your hands. Turn the dough into a round blob and place it in a container for it to rise. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it sit in a warm place. It will take an hour or two to double in size. Meanwhile, grease the baking tray with butter or oil. Now that the dough is doubled in size and mellow, cut it into 2 portions. Work the dough and cut it into equal parts. Take a portion, flatten it out, roll it into a ball as per the video. Place them on the tray as shown. Let it rise for another 10 to 15 minutes. Place some oil or butter on top. Once the oven is hot, let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Should be done when they turn golden brown. Carefully remove the tray and let it cool for 10 minutes. Enjoy your fluffy dinner rolls.